Hello dear traders, my name is Tim and these are the main trading ideas for current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with AUD/USD. The AUD/USD pair is actively growing and testing the resistance of 0.71. The Australian currency is supported by inflation data. Thus, the Australian Consumer Price Index accelerated from 1.8% to 1.9% in the fourth quarter of 2022, while analysts expected a slowdown in dynamics to 1.6%. In annual terms, the indicator also corrected from 7.3% to 7.8%, ahead of a forecast at 7.5%. The rise in inflation is in line with the forecast of the Reserve Bank of Australia. However, strong figures may push the regulator to a more aggressive interest rate hike, which may favorably affect the position of the Australian currency. Against this background, we recommend holding long position on the AUD/USD pair. Next, gold. Gold is one step away from testing the 1950 resistance. Market participants are waiting for the publication of macroeconomic statistics from the United States on the dynamics of gross domestic product for the fourth quarter of 2022. Analysts expect a slowdown in economic growth from 3.2% to 2.8%, which will put additional pressure on the US Federal Reserve when choosing a monetary policy vector. At the end of the month, the regulator will meet for the first meeting in 2023, as a result of which the interest rate can be increased by a minimum value of 25 basis points. At least one more rate increase is expected in the first half of the year, after which the regulator may take a wait-and-see attitude. Expectations of this put pressure on the dollar, which helps the precious metals market. Given the above, gold may continue to rise. And finally, Euro/USD. The European currency also maintains bullish momentum. The European currency is supported by expectations of a further increase in the interest rate by the European Central Bank, while reducing the rate of increase in the rate from the US Federal Reserve. At the next two meetings of the European regulator, the first of which will be held next week, the rate may be increased by 50 basis points, while the US regulator is expected to raise interest rates by only 25 basis points. Statistics remain the growth factor for the euro. According to data released yesterday, the ifo Business Climate Index in Germany rose to 90.2 in January against the previous value of 88.6. The next target for the Euro/USD pair may be resistance at 1.10. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.